Welcome to another episode, Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally. You are Dave.
You are Wally.
So why are we here today, Dave?
Well, today we're here to talk about EverGuard TPO with MembraneShield. That's what you're standing on right
so
there.
this is like a monolayer
It's a
protective sheet.
It's a monolayer sheet that's installed at the factory. So when you kick it out, it's already applied. Now, what would we use it for?
Well, you could use it for a lot of different installations. I mean, where it really shines to me would be like a tear off, because like, say you're tearing off a rubber roof. We've all seen that. I mean, you're standing on a dirty membrane. We've seen a lot worse than this.
Right, we have.
Like rubber roof, you track that carbon black across a nice white TPO sheet, it's not coming up.
No, it's not.
And an asphaltic roof, forget about it.
Yeah. Basically, it's there to keep the roof clean during the installation, whatever the installation may be.
So when would you remove this film?
Remove it when everything is off, and this is the last thing that you do.
So once the installation is complete, all the details are done, this would come off and you got a nice clean white sheet.
Yes,
Which is what a building owner is paying for, right?
Right.
You know, high-vis sheet, high-vis building, they've got a nice white roof on it.
Well, and especially if you're, in a tower type thing where you're looking down on the white sheet, you don't want to see this. You want to see a clean sheet.
Well, in a typical install, for example, like, mechanically attached roof leaders, whatever the case may be, I mean, you're going to get it dirty, and now you got to clean it.
Well, yeah, that's what the owner wants.
Yeah, you ask any estimator out there how much time does he have to figure in his bid for cleaning? Probably not a lot.
There is
right?
basically
and then,
none.
Now you got to find, a source for water. You got to drag hoses up there, and heaven forbid what you're going to wash off that roof down to the parking lot.
Right, and that's the great thing about the monolayer sheet. It's self-contained, basically. It comes with the membrane.
Protective layer on top.
You don't have to worry about getting water up there in the whole 9 yards.
So what membranes does this come? I mean, thickness-wise.
60 and 80
in smooth.
In smooth, and 60 in fleece back TPOs.
So 5 foot, 10 foot.
Yes, 5 and 10s.
Perfect.
Yep. White. Yep. So.
All right, let's remove this monolayer sheet and see how easy it comes off.
Sounds good.
Wow, that comes out pretty nice.
Oh, well, you got yours started. Obviously, our little demo just, now look, you're getting dirty
see,
now.
that's what I'm kind of showing. Now,
Jeez.
Look how nice and clean it was.
In your Nassim.
So whose footprint is that?
That is probably somebody else.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Probably Chino right up here. We wasn't looking.
There you go.
All right, stay tuned to our other videos regarding our EverGuard TPO with MembraneShield at gif.com/roofingItRight.